Hi everyone, and today we're going to review how to introduce your Rice essay with a start sentence, a claim, and a closure. So let's get started. There are 3 parts to an introduction, so if you're working on this section, make sure you have at least 3 sentences in your introduction. The first part is your start sentence, and this you need to have your source, title, author, a right verb, and your topic. You need to start with a start sentence for your introduction. Then you're going to move on to your claim. It will start something like this. After reading this article, I strongly believe. And then you're going to answer the prompt with what you believe. The last part is your closure. I have many reasons to support this claim. You need all 3 parts in your introduction for it to be successful. Let's take a look at an example. In the Scholastic News article, Teenager Zombies, author Henry Allen describes how teens need more sleep. After reading this article, it is clear teens need more sleep. I have many reasons to support this claim. We have our source, we have our title, we have our author, we have a right verb, and we have our topic, teens need more sleep. We also have a claim. After reading this article, it is clear teens need more sleep. Then we have our closure. I have many reasons to support this claim. Please stop the video now and revise your introduction, making sure that you have all 3 parts, including a start sentence, your claim, and your closure. You can leave this up so that you can copy the format and just plug in the information that matches your text.